Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to join a public server on Discord. I'm gonna show you how to join Open GPT on Discord. So let's open the app. Before let I'm gonna show you first demo before maybe later. So you can see this is my GPT Open GPT openai server I have recently joined. So if you want to know how to do, just follow me in this video and I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is openai server. So guys, first of all, open the Chrome browser. Now search for discord.com, and it will take you to the website of Discord. Now just zoom in and you will see the option at the top, open Discord. This option, just click on it and it will take you to the login page. So just log in with your ID and your Discord dashboard will be open here. So if you want to join any public server, so I'm not telling you to join openai, but you can join multiple server here, public server. So you have to click on this option. Can you see this discovery options? So just click on this option and now it will explore many of the public server. If you want to join Valorant server, you can join it. If you can want to join openai, you can join it here. So this is for actually for the developers and enthusiasts to collaborate and share a creative build with the openai powerful models. So if you want to join the openai, just click on this option. And so guys, before joining it, message failed to load. So there, if you want to join, I'm going to show you how to join Valorant first, since I've already joined the openai. So to join any servers, you will find the option join and the name of the public server that you are going to join. So just click on this option, join Valorant, and just skip all these parts. I'm gonna skip it. So what color would you like your name to be? So I'm gonna choose which is my favorite color, orange. Let it be orange. And we would like to access our voice channel, of course. So now you can see but there is some steps to join. So if you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So if you want to join, so since I have already joined the server, now if you want to talk, then I have to click on this complete button, and now I have to choose I have to agree to all the rules. So just click on submit, and once I submit, it will take, you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send a message in this server. Okay, so I have to wait 10 minutes to send any message on this server. So yeah, that's how you can join any guys public server on it. And I have recently joined 2 server right now. So if you want to see if you have joined the server, you can open the app on your mobile and you can find all the server recently you joined. So let me show you this is a Valorant server. So it gets hanged. Let me open it again. So this is a chat GPT server. So if you want to use, you can click on this to use it. So let me show you the Valorant. Where is the Valorant? I think this one is the Valorant. No, this is not. This is Valorant server. And yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope you like it. And if you want to know, and if you want more video like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam. Till then, bye bye.